morning, students, and welcome back to online class. Wish you a happy new year. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe in your home. Are you happy? I think you are not happy because you couldn't go to school, is it? Okay, now I am going to teach GK. Do you like GK subject? Yes, is it? Okay, shall we move on to lesson? Do you like to travel? Yes, is it? How do we travel? We travel by bus, train, airplane, etc. How do the vehicles move? The vehicles move with the help of fuels. Now I am going to teach lesson 27 fuels. Do you know what is fuel? A fuel is any material that can be made to react with other substances so that it releases energy as thermal energy or to be used for work. What are the different types of fuels? Coal, biodiesel, gasoline, diesel, liquid petroleum gas, charcoal, compressed natural gas, fuel oil and hydrogen fuel. What is power? Power is defined as the rate of doing work. It is the work done in unit time. What is energy? Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Can you say some example of energy? Light energy, heat energy, wind energy, solar energy and electrical energy. Today we are going to learn about fossil fuel, muscle power, wind energy and solar energy. What is fossil fuel? What are the main fossil fuels? Fossil fuel is a hydrocarbon containing material formed underground from the remains of dead plants and animals that humans extract and burn to release energy for use. The main fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Do you know what is muscle power? Muscle power refers to a great force production over a short period of time, such as fast leg kicks and explosive jumping. What is wind energy? Give example. Wind energy refers to capturing the energy from moving air. Example, windmill, kite, parachute, etc. What is solar energy? Give example. Solar energy is the radiation from the sun capable of producing heat or generating electricity. Example, solar panel, solar light and solar water heater. All of you take your book, page number 37. Fuel. Use the color code given below to color the squares near the items shown in the picture. Look at the picture. Number 1. Aeroplane. Which fuel is used in aeroplane? Kerosene based fuel is used in aeroplane. Kerosene is a fossil fuel. Number 2. Windmill. Wind energy is used in windmill. Number 3. Flying kite. Wind energy is used to fly kites. Number 4. Solar panel. Solar panel use solar energy to generate electricity. Number 5. Electric train. Diesel is used in electric train. Diesel is a fossil fuel. Number 6. Skating. He is using muscle power for skating. Number 7. Tractor. Diesel is used in tractor. Diesel is a fossil fuel. Number 8. Riding bicycle. To ride the bicycle, she is using muscle power. Look at the box given below. Here, some energy saving tips given. If you follow these tips, you can save energy. First one, do not leave the refrigerator door open. Open it just when you need to. Second, dry clothes outside on a clothesline instead of using a dryer. Third, walk or cycle short distances instead of using a car, scooter or motorcycle. Fourth, use school buses and public transport instead of personal vehicles. Okay, shall we move on to the next lesson? Do you like grammar? What did you learn in grammar? Sentence, tenses, parts of speech, articles, etc. Have you learned degrees of comparison? No, is it? Now I am going to teach degrees of comparison. What are degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison are adjectives that change form and are used to compare one thing or person to another.
Degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective.
What are the 3 types of degrees of comparison? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree.
There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree.
Positive degree is used to denote the existing state of a person or thing and is used when no comparison is made. Example, the cat runs fast. Here, the adjective runs is in positive degree.
The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house.
Next, comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when 2 things or 2 sets of things are compared. It is used by putting er to the adjective. Example, the cat runs faster than dogs. Here we compare cat and dog. Here the word faster and than are in comparative degree.
The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare 2 objects, people, or places. For example, her house is bigger than my house.
superlative degree. The superlative degree conveys the highest quality of a person or a thing. It is used when more than two people or things are compared. Here we have to use est or most to the adjective. Example, the cat runs fastest of all animals. Here the word fastest is in superlative degree.
The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, his house is the biggest of all.
Turn page number 38. Degrees of comparison. Look at the picture given below. Use the words tall, taller, or tallest to fill in the blanks. See the picture. Statue of Unity, Gujarat in India is 182 meters tall. Second one, Spring Temple, Buddha in China is 153 meters tall. Third one, Yushiku Dabutsa in Japan is 120 meters tall. Next, Statue of Liberty in USA is 93 meters tall. Next, the Motherland Calls in Russia is 85 meters tall. Next, Christ the Redeemer in Brazil is 38 meters tall. First one, the Statue of Liberty is taller than the Motherland Calls and Christ the Redeemer, but it is not as tall as the Ushiku Daibutsu. Second one, at present, the Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world and is 29 meters taller than the Spring Temple Buddha statue. Look at the box. Do you know which is the driest place in the world? The driest place in the world is the Atacama Desert in Chile. Which is the largest lake in the world? The largest lake in the world is the Caspian Sea. Which is the most populated continent in the world? Asia is the most populated continent in the world. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? The tallest waterfalls in the world is Angel Falls in Venezuela. Turn page number 39. Write true or false. First one, Usain Bolt is the fastest athlete in the world. The answer is true. Number 2, the Olympic motto, Citius, Altius, Fortius means faster, higher, stronger. The answer is true. Number 3, Madagascar is the world's largest island. The answer is false because it is the second largest island. Number 4, China is not as populated as India. The answer is false. China is the populated country, so it is false. Number 5. Saturn is closer to the sun than Jupiter is. The answer is false because Saturn is not closer to the sun. Jupiter is closer to the sun. Number 6. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. The answer is true. Number 7. The Mahabharata is the longest epic in the world. The answer is true. Number 8. The Himalayas are the longest mountain range in the world. The answer is false because the Himalayas are not the longest mountain. It is the highest mountain in the world. Number 9. The giant tortoise can live up to 100 years. The answer is true. Number 10. The sunflower is the largest flower in the world. The answer is false because the sunflower is not the largest flower. Rafflesia is the largest flower. Okay. Do you understand this lesson? Thank you. Have a nice day.